The ROKS Chujado is one of the most significant naval projects of South Korea, designed to enhance the country's maritime security and power projection capabilities. Commissioned in 2026, this vessel represents the next generation of advanced aircraft carriers in the Republic of Korea Navy, complementing the existing fleet and expanding the nation's influence on regional waters. Built with state-of-the-art technology, the Chujado is not just a warship but a floating airbase capable of operating in diverse scenarios ranging from defense operations to humanitarian missions. In terms of design, the ROKS Chujado showcases sleek lines and a highly modern profile that allows for improved stealth capabilities, reducing radar detection. The carrier features an expansive flight deck that supports advanced short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft, drones, and helicopters, giving it unparalleled versatility in the skies. Equipped with electromagnetic aircraft launch systems and automated handling equipment, the Chujado brings efficiency and faster turnaround during critical operations. The interior of the vessel reflects a focus on both crew efficiency and technological integration. With cutting-edge command and control centers, advanced radar and sensor systems, and integrated combat management systems, the ship ensures real-time decision-making in the most challenging naval environments. The living quarters are designed to provide comfort for the large crew and embarked air wing, allowing for extended deployments at sea without compromising operational readiness. Powering this massive carrier is a next-generation propulsion system that balances speed, endurance, and fuel efficiency. Capable of sustaining long missions without frequent resupply, the Chujado enhances South Korea's ability to project power across the Pacific and beyond. The vessel is also designed with modular adaptability, allowing upgrades in weapons systems, electronics, and defensive measures to ensure relevance in future conflicts. Strategically, the ROKS Chujado plays a crucial role in strengthening alliances and partnerships. With the capacity to host joint exercises with allied navies and participate in multinational missions, it underscores South Korea's commitment to regional stability and global security. Beyond combat operations, the Chujado can provide humanitarian assistance during natural disasters, acting as a mobile base for relief operations, medical support, and logistics. As tensions in regional waters continue to evolve, the commissioning of the ROKS Chujado in 2026 marks a milestone for South Korea's naval modernization program. It stands as a symbol of technological innovation, maritime strength, and the determination to safeguard national interests while contributing to peace and stability on the global stage. Would you like me to also create a YouTube title, description, hashtags, and keywords for this video like I did for your other scripts?